everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kakiage udon. Kakiage is a type of tempura. It's small bits of many ingredients fried together, kind of tempura, and today I'm going to put it on top of hot udon noodles. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kakiage udon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles, 1 onion, half a carrot, chikuwa fish cake, about 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon potato starch, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 1 teaspoon salt, and some green onion to garnish. I'm making kakiage first, so let's cut the ingredients. Onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half and slice thinly. Then carrot. Peel the skin. Cut the top off. I want to make it into thin strips, so into thin diagonal slices first, and then into strips. Let's put the vegetable in this large bowl. Fish cake. It has hole in the middle like this. Cut it into half and then slice diagonally. And all into the bowl. Let's make tempura batter. 1 teaspoon potato starch into the bowl of flour. It's about 1 cup of flour, so I'm adding 1 cup of cold water. Give it a quick mix. And the batter is ready. It's still lumpy, but this is the way it should be. If you overmix the batter, it will bring out the gluten and will make the batter too sticky, so make sure not to overmix it. I want to add just enough amount of butter to put the ingredients together. So let's start with 3/4. 3/4 of the butter into the bowl. And mix it well. It's kind of sticking together, but I think I need a little more. So let's add half of the remaining butter. Yep, it looks good. So all the ingredients are sticking together, but there isn't any extra butter at the bottom of the bowl. I'm heating up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. Drop a little bit of leftover butter into the oil. If it hit the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, this is a perfect temperature. Scoop some of this using big spoon and just drop it into the oil. And fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. It looks good, so let's take them out and drain. Let's just carry on and finish all of it. Kakiage is ready, so let's make the broth for udon noodles. 4 cups of water into the pot. 1 tablespoon of hondashi instant Japanese stock. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoon mirin. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, all in. Just bring it to boil and the broth is ready. Super easy. Now I'm preparing some boiling water to cook the udon noodles. While I wait for that, I'm slicing the green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together and then slice. Let's put it in the small bowl and put it aside. Boiling water is ready, so let's cook the udon noodles by following the instruction on the package. It looks good, so let's drain. Everything is ready, so it's time to assemble. Some udon noodles into the bowl. The broth. Kakiage. Let's put 2. Green onion for the nice color and the flavor. Kakiage udon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Little bit of kakiage and udon noodles together. Crispy tempura is of course good, but I like the soggy tempura that soaks up all the savory broth too. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo meal looks like. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Udon noodle replaces the rice, the broth replaces the soup, and kakiage replaces the main dish. So let's put kakiage udon here and nothing here and here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I think I want to have a little more protein, so let's have tamagoyaki Japanese omelette. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!